Okay, so we're looking at boxes. A box data type allows us to store data on the heap rather than the stack. We can place our existing instance of a struct into the heap. The pointer to it will live on the stack. Here's the documentation if you go to it, which is on rust-lang.org. I've created a struct called team with name as a string, size I32, age U8, meh U8. So it can be any stuff you want to put in there into your struct. Then within main, I will write that again from scratch in a second. So all I've done is I've said let my team, so an instance of struct, equal name, so name is JML, size 77, age 8, mess 2. So just some kind of random values in there just to make this code work. Then on line 20, what we need to do is actually create our box. So we say let boxed. Then we need to specify that it is of type box and it is using team. So that's your custom data type, which we get from line 5. Then we need to say what that's equal to. So I've got ligatures turned on here, so you see how the greater than sign and the equals converts to this. Box, double colon, new, just like you would do with string new, for instance. Then we tell it what the instance is, so my team. So we're saying that the variable binding boxed is of data type box custom type team, and then we're actually creating it using passing in my team, which is then moving struct my team onto the heap. Then a pointer to it, so we're creating a pointer. The pointer lives on the stack. Then on line 22, we're going to print it. Then you see on line 1 I've imported use standard double colon mem. On line 23, we're going to print, so we're going to borrow vboxed, and then we're going to print the size of it. So that's a reference. So we're going to print the size of the reference. Let me just clear that. And we've got an error. Why have we got an error? Because I've probably local variable. Oh, I called my variable boxed. Okay. Cargo rump. And there we see. So box, we've printed out the contents of that using colon question mark, and then uses 8 bytes. So it is a pointer which lives on the stack, which is pointing to the instance which now lives on the heap. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.